Milan, Italy, people live at the intersection of tradition and modern ambition, creating a culture defined by elegance, efficiency, and innovation. Milanese society values fashion, design, and creativity, making the city a global capital of style. Traditions remain strong through family life, seasonal festivals, and regional cuisine, while Roman Catholicism continues to shape customs and historic landmarks. The magnificent Duomo di Milano, with its detailed Gothic spires, rises beside modern skyscrapers, reflecting a city where history and progress coexist. Milan's architecture blends Renaissance beauty with contemporary urban development, forming a dynamic visual identity. Food plays a central role, with specialties like risotto alla Milanese and ossobuco symbolizing local pride. Politically, Milan is a progressive force within Italy, influencing national direction through its economic power. It hosts the Italian Stock Exchange and major financial institutions, serving as the country's financial heart. Driven by finance, fashion, technology, and global trade, Milan attracts international talent while preserving its deep cultural roots and refined Italian character. Milan, Italy. Geography places the city in northern Italy within the fertile Po Valley, making it a vital hub for trade and connection across Europe. Its strategic location has shaped centuries of conflict, from Roman control to medieval wars, followed by Spanish and Austrian domination. Milan played a key role in the unification of Italy and suffered heavy destruction during World War II, yet it rebuilt into a modern economic powerhouse. Today, Milan stands as one of Europe's leading cities, blending deep history with innovation and global influence. Tourists visit iconic landmarks such as the Duomo di Milano, Sforza Castle, and Santa Maria delle Grazie, home to Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. The city is also known for major global events like Milan Fashion Week and its vibrant financial district. Influential figures linked to Milan include Leonardo da Vinci, Giuseppe Verdi, and Silvio Berlusconi. As a major European destination, Milan offers a rich mix of history, culture, art, luxury shopping, and modern lifestyle, reflecting both its powerful past and dynamic present.